like one who jousts for with fair semblance. She has put me in mortal pain, from which without her I can have no surety. Cursed be one so beautiful and so good. In other matters she is courteous and choice, but she does wrong, for she rushes toward my harm, and she does worse to me and does not improve, like a toothache when it hurts in the jaw. For she beats and strikes my heart unrestrained. Love with her and with all Provence. For when I do not see my Rainier of Marseille, though I live, my living is not life to me. And a sick man who often relapses is cured with great difficulty. Rather he dies when his illness lasts. So I am dead if this desire that often takes my breath away renews itself in me. It seems to me that I will have conquered her very late, for no lady takes worse counsel toward her lover. And the more I have served her with my power, the more I find her skittish. Therefore, since I love her so much, I am more foolish than the foolish shepherd who calls to the beautiful prey. But he is conquered whom love overpowers. I was overpowered when I saw my lady, for no other compares with her in entire joy and complete prowess. Therefore I am hers and will be as long as I live. And if she does not want me, it will be wrong in excess. Song, go to the worthy queen in Aragon, for a truer queen I do not know in the world, and I have sought many, and I find no more without wrong and without quarrel. But she is frank and loyal and gracious to all people and agreeable to God. And since the king advances above other kings, to such a king, such a queen befits. Fair Chastity at your work, Lord.